In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change camera angle in Blox Fruits. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about all of the ways in which you will be able to customize your camera in Blox Fruits. Keep in mind that I am doing this on PC. However, everything that I say will also apply for consoles, and I'm still going to teach you how to do it if you are using a controller and not a mouse. So, using a mouse, it is super simple to do this. You just have to use the scroll wheel to zoom in or out. You can go into first person if you keep scrolling up, and if you keep scrolling down, you will eventually have the maximum zoom. You can even see the other islands all the way over there. So this zoom is nice if you are just walking around and you are looking for specific enemies or specific items on the map, and then this one is cooler if you just want to see your character up close. You can press shift to have the angle of the camera locked behind your character's back, so as you can see, if I move to the sides, my character will also look towards that direction. So essentially it is an over-the-shoulder view. You can still zoom in and out even if you are on this mode by pressing shift. This is called shift lock. Now, you can also go into these settings and change the camera mode. So we have default classic, then this one is just a standard one. Your camera is going to stay still, you can walk around, your character is going to turn, change positions, but the camera won't move, and then you have follow. This one is a little bit different. As you can see, if I walk to the side, I'm not pressing anything on my mouse, the camera actually spins. So this one makes it so it is always focused on your character, and it essentially pans to the left and the right depending on which direction you move. So if you don't like using your mouse too much, this is the best option. So change the camera mode from here if you'd like, and if you are using a controller, you can zoom in or out by pressing the right analog stick. Usually this can be a problem if you have flash snap. However, as soon as you join the server and you choose a side, so for example Marines, if you press the right stick quickly upon joining, you can actually zoom in or out without having to use flash snap. So choose whichever option you prefer. Either use the right analog stick to zoom in or out, or connect a mouse. If you are playing on a PC, you should already have one, of course. I hope I was able to help you on how to change camera angle in Blox Fruits. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.